Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by cutting power. Unplug the unit and remove any batteries so the motor can't engage while you work. Once done, set the winder on a padded, stable surface to protect the case and watch. Next, locate the access point, usually a rear or bottom panel held by small screws or clips, and get a proper screwdriver or prying tool ready. You need good visibility and steady hands before you remove that first fastener. Continue by carefully unscrewing the motor housing screws counterclockwise and keeping each screw grouped so you don't mix them up. After the screws come out, gently pry the housing halves apart. Take your time because there may be delicate ribbon cables or small connectors inside. Once open, identify the motor and gearbox assembly and unbolt or unclip it from the mounting plate. Note how gears mesh and the motor's orientation so you can reverse the steps accurately later. Finish by disconnecting the motor from any remaining connectors and sliding out the winding arbor. Inspect both for wear or broken teeth. If you're keeping the case, reassemble the outer shell but leave electrical components aside or prepare parts for proper recycling. Once reassembled, test for smooth manual rotation before reconnecting power. If a component is stuck, back out the nearest screw one turn and gently wiggle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.